Tires here.
Alright, so it's a full house. Junie, Brian, Izzy, and Nick's on his way. So we're about to pull the motor out, guys.
Yeah, that's it. Let me grab some.
So the motor's almost out, guys. Brian and Junie been working on it all day, pretty much. They've been doing a great job, guys. So we're gonna pull the motor out and build it for the customer.
Yeah. And go a little bit. Go. Wait, hold on.
Hey guys, so the motor is down. Alright guys, so this is how Eclipse GSX looks without a motor, guys. The poor Eclipse GSX all torn up. Can you tell the blog what's gonna be done to this Red Evo?
Yeah, so we're gonna build this one as well. It lost compression on cylinder 2, so and then the oil pump 2 went out, and the customer just decided to build the motor. Might as well. Now that we're pulling the whole motor out.
Right? So yeah guys, a lot more videos coming, man. So I'm hoping that I'm gonna be posting a lot more videos, you know. Normally I do once every week, but I'm gonna try to do like 2 or 3, so you guys can stay tuned on what's going on at the shop or just car meets here in Illinois. Stay tuned, guys. Brian, from 1 to 10, how hard would you rate on taking out the GSX motor?
It was fairly easy. It wasn't that complicated. It came in pretty smooth.
It was a lot harder than taking out your Evo, though, right?
Yeah, they have a bit more stuff than Evos. Especially mine, because mine I deleted a bunch of stuff. But still, it wasn't that hard. It was fairly easy.
Hello guys, so we're here. We just got to my friend's Jose Lara's new house, and we have a couple friends over here, as you guys know, Junie and Gio, and then it's my other friend Brian Reyes, Evo. So we're gonna go and I'm gonna show you guys Jose Lara's Evo. Here's the Evo.
Yeah, you know what I did? I took what's his name? I took Junie and I took
the whole squad.
Yeah, porque no let me go for 45 minutes.
Oh, por
ejemplo aquí, oye, ya no le traté, a lo mejor sí sale unos poquitos aquí, unos poquitos aquí.
Está bien.
Sí, pues este es más o menos.
Algo por mientras. Dalo con la flor.
Si arreglas cómprate la, saca los chipotes. No, saca los ya se hizo ya quemado a la mitad, se lo lleva.
So we're getting the carbon fiber hood, guys.
También te hicieron el horno, tío.
Sí, pero se miraba en la cabeza o abajo, creo. Ni me acuerdo dónde lo miré, pero sí lo miré.
Pero este ya no se va a usar.
Oh, ¿sabes dónde se marcó? Se marcó.
So it was either $300 or $400 for the carbon fiber hood for Lara. We just threw a coin since we're friends, and we went and took 400 because we lost. He chose heads and we chose tails, and it was heads, so he won. And then our boy, you can't really tell, but our boy back with the Beamer, Izzy, he's here. Miata, and also Jose Lara, our buddy. He sold our other friend Brian Reyes this nice front bumper. It looks mean, really mean. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for the vlog, guys. Ryan Ray is evil camming.
It's like how a lot of guys like, yeah, it reminds me of that. That's why I'm like, damn, is this dude?
Alright, guys, well, everyone's heading out to the meet here in Chicago. So unfortunately we didn't go on. We just got Lara's hood, carbon fiber hood. So we're gonna go home and we're gonna install it and continue the vlog there. But man. Alright, guys, peace out. Well, Jesse and Brian, the vlog. Alright, guys, well, I'll see you guys later. Alright, guys, so we're back again. We're gonna get the carbon fiber hood on the Evo, and well, obviously you guys already know where it's at right now. So thanks to Lara, we got the carbon fiber hood, and we're about to install it and see how this bad Evo looks like. Check it out, guys, so clean. Gotta make Chicago stand out, you know, in the car scene. So that's how the hood looks, guys. Yeah, it needs a little bit clear coat and a little wet sanding, but besides that, oh my god, it's so clean. So we're gonna install it and we're gonna show you guys how it looks right now. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, just wanted to introduce this other shop we have. So this is normally where we have the Evo and stuff. So I know you guys seen it on some other videos, but just wanted to show you guys again the other shop. So yeah, we're right now just cleaning the carbon fiber hood, finding the bolts because we kind of forgot we replaced them. But yeah, guys. Then over here, Jesse trying to stay warm with the heater.
Warm.
And the bikes, the fastest one is this one, guys. It pops wheelies. It really does pop wheelies. But now I'm just joking. Alright, guys, so we're pretty much installing the hood right now. We have to take this off, you know, to the dump. But yeah, man, we're about to check out, see how it looks. What do you think about the Evo, Jesse? You haven't really been on my blog, but this is my other cousin, Jesse.
Yeah, what's up? I think it looks looking pretty good. I haven't seen it in a while.
He works and goes to NIU full time, pretty much, so he doesn't get to spend a lot of time with us. But yeah, he's actually seeing it here for the first time in a while, and he's pretty impressed.
This right here, I hadn't seen it for a long time.
Yeah.
I saw it when I was in Texas,
Check out the new carbon fiber hood on the Evo. Damn. Let me know what you guys think of it. Damn. So I'll be posting a lot more about this on Evo, guys. So late nights, hard work, a lot of money. But this is what the car looks like. There's Brian right there. But let me know what you guys think, man. We failed to try to keep this car looking like a sleeper. There's no way people are gonna think this is slow. But alright, guys, leave me comments in the comment section below And if you haven't subscribed yet, man, please do. There's gonna be a lot of action in the summer with this car. Hopefully we can make some money. Nah, I'm joking. But yeah, guys, a lot more coming out of this yellow Evo. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog right here. As you guys can tell, the hood has been installed. Jesse and Brian, man, this shit's nasty, huh?
Yeah, I like it, man. I like how it came out.
Alright guys, well stay tuned. Like and subscribe if you want to see more of the Angry Banana Evo, which is coming out this summer. We're not really in a rush right now to bring it out, but the tuning session's coming, so we gotta break it in. Summer's not here, it's still cold here in Chicago. But guys, like I said, like and subscribe. A lot is coming for this car. Just wait, the front it's almost done. We're just waiting to take it to get a hood dump. Well, the exhaust, we were thinking about going side exit, but now we're thinking of hood exhaust. So yeah, guys.
Hey, you should ask them to see what their opinion is.
Yeah, well, what do you guys think about the car? Like the video, leave comments, let us know. I know you guys, a bunch of people like it, or we already got a lot of comments. Thank you, we appreciate it, man. And we really appreciate the support. Stay tuned, guys, like I said, for more. And we're gonna be building a lot more cars at the shop. Stay tuned for the GSX build. So it's gonna be done soon, the Evo build, and obviously this one. So peace out, guys. I'm gonna end the vlog here, and I'll have another one tomorrow. Peace out.